Good morning all. Myself Dr. M.A. R.G., Assistant Professor, Department of Prashastra and Lavana Kalpana. Today we will see the second part of Lavana Kalpana. In the first part we discussed the preparation method of Lavana with the herbal ingredients, its different method of preparation, its classification and detailed description of Arka Lavana. Narigela Lavana is a classical formulation which has been described in the Samhita such as Chakradatta, Vangasena, Bhavaprakasha, Rasatarangini. The main indication of Narigela Lavana is in Parinama Shula, which can be broadly correlated with the peptic ulcer as per the modern parameters. As the name suggests, you can see in the picture, as the name suggests, the Narigela Lavana contains only two ingredients, that is Narigela, coconut and Saindava Lavana, rock salt, which is commonly used for the preparation of Narigela Lavana. Anyway, with these two ingredients we are preparing Narigela Lavana. Acharyas have explained two separate methods of preparation of Narigela Lavana. That is Sajala method and Nirjala method. Sajala means retaining the water inside the coconut, and Nirjala method means without coconut water you can prepare Narigela Lavana. These two methods are explained in classical references with the Saindava as the second ingredient. Nirjala Narigela Lavana has been prepared by using Mahapuda and Sajala Narigela Lavana by preparing with the help of Kukkuda Puda. The method of preparation is two basic ingredients should be taken for the preparation of Narigela Lavana, that is mature coconut. It can be either with water or without water. The reference for after removal of the water is available in Rasatarangini. In Rasatarangini, author advised to use a coconut after removing its water content. The remaining procedure for the two methods is same only. Anyway, the method of preparation of Narigela Lavana is a mature coconut is taken and its outer fibrous part is removed properly. And afterwards, a hole is to be made in one of the eyes. You will see the procedure in the procedure is clearly depicted in this picture. We have to take the two basic ingredients, that is coconut. It is to be scraped. Outer part of the coconut should be matured. Coconut should be scraped, and one of its eyes, a hole is placed, and the powdered Saindava is filled through the hole into the coconut up to the brim. And after filling, it is to be plugged by or covered by a cork or a piece of chalk. And then the coconut is layered by clay smeared cloth, which is to be in 3 consecutive layers, and it is to be dried clearly, and afterwards it is burned in puda. Approximately 10 to 15 cow dung cakes is needed for the complete burning of this coconut shell, or as per the reference we can go for the puda, that is Nirjala Narigela Lavana, which can be prepared with the help of Mahapuda, and Sajala Narigela Lavana can be prepared with the Kukkuda Puda. Approximately 10 to 15 cow dung cakes also can use for the preparation of this Narigela Lavana. After burning, it is allowed for cooling, and the charred kernel and the salt are collected together. That is inside a portion which is to be converted into chard, and the salt all together it is to be collected, powdered and preserved. This is known as Narigela Lavana. As per the method of preparation, two ways we can follow for the Narigela Lavana preparation. According to Rasatarangini, the water content should be removed from the coconut. Now, as per the references from other acharyas, we can keep the water inside that coconut and follow the procedure like same. It's mainly its karma are explained as it is having Pachaka, Pitta, Shamaka, Shulahara action. It is indicated for Amla Pitta, Vataja, Pittaja, Kapaja and Sanibadija Shula. Parinamashula especially it is indicated. The dosage is explained as 1 to 2 gram, and it's after the study the pH is alkaline, it is approximately 8.5 to 9.5, and the shelf life period is explained as infinite if it is preserved properly. This is the method of preparation of Narigela Lavana.